post assessment. Number one, who are the target readers of an academic essay, or who are the audience, expected audience who will read your essay? The answer is letter B, teachers, students, academic community. Number two, what are the purposes of doing an academic writing? The answer is letter C, to inform or to give a knowledge or idea, to persuade or to convince, and to argue a specific point. Number three, writing academic papers requires deliberate, thorough, and careful thought. Diba? When you write academic papers, it should not be done in a minute or two, but for how many hours? You should have a thorough and careful thought of that certain topic for you to have a well-crafted essay. So therefore, what should one do to achieve a well-crafted academic essay? The answer of number three is letter B. One must conduct a research on the topic at hand. You must first have a research of your topic. You should not be dependent, or you should not depend on your own opinions alone, or you should not be highly dependent on the internet for easy information or easy access. No, dili siya pwede. You should have a research to have an idea, not to copy and paste. Number four, an academic essay must use appropriate vocabulary words but not too pretentious, highfalutin words. Which among these words is the simplified version of the term supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? So the answer is in number four is letter C, extraordinarily good and wonderful, diba? It's more appropriate. Dili siya exaggerated term that not everyone can understand easily. So dili siya pwede sa academic essay nga mga na ang mga terms pretentious, too pretentious. So you should use words with appropriate terms. Number five, what are the three main parts of an essay? So the answer of number five is letter B, the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Number six, what is the purpose of the topic sentence? The answer of number six is letter C, to help the reader understand what the paragraph will be about. That is the purpose of the topic sentence. Not to give coherence to the paragraph, not to help with the flow of the sentences, but to help the reader understand. When they read the topic sentence, they will understand, or they will really get the idea that, okay, that's the topic all about on that certain paragraph. Number seven, what is academic writing? So it is a technique to write balanced, accurate, and professional assignments. It's not an old-fashioned way of writing. It's not how university professors write. So how about the students? Though professors lang ba? So letter D, the writing you find in textbooks. So the answer is letter A. Number 8, choose these words to describe academic writing. So is it letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? The answer of number 8 is letter B, precise. It should be clear and it should be objective. Number 9, what is true of the introductory paragraph? So the answer is it ends with a thesis, introduces the big idea of the essay, starts with a hook, or it should be starting with a something like can get the attention of your readers. So the answer is letter D, all of this. Number 10, what is the sequence of an essay? So of course the answer is letter D. No, it's not letter D. The answer is introduction, body paragraph, and then last is the conclusion. So the answer is letter A.